Have you ever wondered how Netflix recommends your next binge watch, or how self-driving cars navigate busy streets? It's all powered by data science, the magic behind turning raw data into actionable insights. In this video, we'll dive into the world of data science and why it's revolutionizing every industry. This content is for anyone curious about the tech driving our world. You'll learn the core concepts and real-world impact of data science, gaining a foundational understanding of this crucial field. Data science is the magic behind turning raw data into actionable insights, revealing patterns and predictions that drive innovation across all industries. Data science is an interdisciplinary field that combines statistics, computer science, and domain expertise to extract knowledge from data. At its core, it's about asking the right questions, gathering data, and using tools like Python, R, and machine learning algorithms to uncover patterns. Think of it as detective work. Data scientists clean messy data sets, build models to predict outcomes, and visualize results to tell compelling stories. To get started in data science, you'll need skills in programming. Python is king for its libraries like Pandas for data manipulation and scikit-learn for machine learning. Python, with libraries like Pandas for data manipulation and scikit-learn for machine learning, is the essential programming language for data scientists. Don't forget SQL for querying databases and Tableau or Power BI for stunning visualizations. Machine learning, a subset of data science, lets computers learn from data without explicit programming. From linear regression for predictions to neural networks for image recognition, the possibilities are endless in machine learning. Data science isn't just theory, it's everywhere. In healthcare, it predicts disease outbreaks using epidemiological models. In finance, algorithms detect fraud in real time. E-commerce giants like Amazon use it for personalized recommendations, boosting sales by up to 35%. Even in sports, teams analyze player stats to optimize strategies. Imagine using data to win the game before it even starts. But with great power comes responsibility. Data science faces challenges like biased algorithms, privacy concerns, and the need for massive computing power. Always prioritize ethical practices. Ensure diverse data sets to avoid discrimination, and comply with regulations like GDPR. The future? Expect more AI integration, edge computing for faster insights, and quantum computing to solve complex problems in seconds. Data science is the key to unlocking tomorrow's innovations. Ready to turn data into your superpower? Subscribe for more tech insights, and let's decode the future together. Whether you're a beginner or pro, start exploring today. Take an online course, experiment with free datasets on Kaggle, or join a community.